Good afternoon. Today we are going to start Go Grammar Lesson 2, a sentence. What are the learning objectives of this lesson? First, what is a sentence? Second, where to use capital letters? Third, where to use punctuation marks? Fourth, what is a subject and a predicate? What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that convey a meaning forms a sentence. A sentence must be meaningful. A new sentence begins with a capital letter. A sentence ends with a full stop, question mark, or an exclamation mark. So, a sentence should make sense. It should be meaningful. A new sentence always begins with a capital letter, and we always end a sentence with a full stop, question mark, or an exclamation mark. For example, underline the meaningful sentence. First one, elephant is strong animal. No, it is not a sentence because it does not make sense. Next, a strong animal is elephant. It is not a sentence again. Why? Because it does not start with a capital letter and it has no full stop. Next, elephant is a strong animal. Yes, it is a sentence. It begins with a capital letter, it ends with a full stop, and it makes sense. So this is my sentence. Elephant is a strong animal. Where to use capital letters? A new sentence begins with a capital letter. Example, father bought a kite for me. So here father's letter F will begin with a capital letter. Next, names of people and places begin with a capital letter. Example, John went to London. So John is the name of a boy, so I will begin the first letter of John in capital, and London is again a name of a place, so I will write the first letter L in capital. Next, days of the week and months of the year begin with a capital letter. Example, we will go for a picnic on Sunday. Sunday is a name of a day, so I will write S in capital letter. July is a summer month. July is again a name of a month, so I am going to write July J in capital letter. Next, the letter I that refers to the first person has to be always written in capital. Example, my mother says that I am a good girl. See, I wrote I in middle of the sentence, still it is in capital letter. So whenever you are writing I, whether it is at the beginning of the sentence or at the end of the sentence or at the middle of the sentence, it is always in capital letter. Next, titles like Mr., Mrs., Doctor begin with a capital letter. Example, Mr. and Mrs. Das wrote a letter. We write Mr. for male and we write Mrs. for female. Here we are going to learn about different punctuation marks. Full stop. A sentence that gives us information ends with a full stop. Such a sentence is called a statement. It means when in any sentence you are giving information about it, you are telling something about it, is called a statement, and it always ends with a full stop. Example, it is a hot day today. How is the day? It is hot. So you are telling about the day there. So it is a statement and it will end with a full stop. My mother is a teacher. What is my mother? Who is she? She is a teacher. So it will end with a full stop because it is a statement. Where do we use a question mark? A sentence that we use to ask a question ends with a question mark. Such a sentence is called an interrogative sentence. That means when we are asking something to someone, we end it with a question mark. This is called as an interrogative sentence. Example, how are you? Second, what is your name? I am asking something, so I will end it with a question mark. Where do we use an exclamation mark? A sentence that expresses feeling can end with an exclamation mark. Such a sentence is called an exclamatory sentence. It means when we are expressing our strong feeling, be it your happiness, your anger, or your sadness, we end it with an exclamation mark. Example, that football game was so exciting. I am showing my happiness. This is my strong feeling, so I will end it with an exclamation mark. Again, a sentence that makes a request or gives a command can end with an exclamation mark. Such a sentence is called an imperative sentence. Example, come here. When you are making a request or also when you are commanding, you end it with an exclamation mark too. What is a subject and a predicate in a sentence? A sentence can be divided into two parts. One is in subject, one is in predicate. What is a subject? A subject tells who or what the sentence is about, and the predicate tells what the subject is or does. The kids. The kids is my subject. I am talking about the kids. And what are they doing? Eating lunch. So eating lunch is a predicate. So the kids are eating lunch. The kids is the subject we are talking about, and what are they doing? Are eating lunch is the predicate. We have more examples of subject and predicate in a sentence. First one, Amy held a pencil. Amy is a subject here. We are talking about Amy. What is she doing? She held a pencil. So held a pencil is the predicate. Next, Johnny wore a hat. Johnny is my subject because I am talking about Johnny here. What did he do? He wore a hat. That is my predicate. He looked happy. Who is happy here? He. So he is a subject. I am talking about he, and looked happy is my predicate. The star is blue. I am talking about whom? The star. I am talking about star, and star is my subject. How is my star? Is blue. It is my predicate. He is holding a star. Again, who is holding a star? He. He is a subject. And what is he doing? He is holding a star. I hope these concepts are very clear for you all. Thank you and have a nice day.